So my name is Kevin Gaver, and I hurt my elbow. I'm not exactly sure how I hurt it. I crashed on my motorcycle, and then a separate time I went to lift some weights from this position and lift them up like that. And I think this rotation is what caused the tear. So the crash, the weightlifting, whichever one resulted in me getting an MRI, and the results of the MRI showed a low-grade partial tear of the extensor tendon, which was consistent with lateral and also medial epicondylitis. So I had called golfer's and tennis elbow at the same time with the partial tear. What I did for that was I went to physical therapy for about 2 months, twice a week, and tried to do some massage therapy and slowly strengthening it. None of it really seemed to make much progress. After 2 months, they recommended I do dry needling. I did that twice a week for 2 months. After that, I went back to the doctor. They recommended occupational therapy. I did that for another month. That wasn't seeming to work. I was doing deep tissue massage therapy once a week. That seemed to help, but nothing really solved the problem until I tried the SoftWave therapy. Now I've had about 6 or 7 treatments, and I would say with each treatment I have noticed improvement. I would say now my arm is 99% healed. Within the next 1 or 2 more treatments, I'm expecting to be back to 100%, and I'm positive that the SoftWave therapy is what really helped me the most. That's my story.